You subscribe yet? Some people just wicked.
Who that?
I mean,
Sis! Jesus Christ! Yeah, I miss you all over town.
up there, nice. We just come down for your holiday.
The whole life I cheat you.
Alright, we just come down for your holiday as well.
And you not tell me, you just pop up so.
Yeah, sometimes we have a surprise. A while I saw a taxi them stay down as well. Me tell the man say right there, so me come off him and drop me off way up there, so make me have to walk.
I should have done there for this. You could have cussed him off.
I'm alright. I'm just here.
So your mother alright?
Boy, she next one. Me don't know. Me don't know where daddy get him from. Me say, woman miserable, in torment, in disgusting, put all of them together.
Why?
Me say, every little thing me do in the house, you man have a problem. If me a eat, you man have a problem.
But I feel father something else now.
Hey, but one thing, I'm glad to say, you know, I lucky thing say that they meet her, you know, as more the Panjalan.
That's true, but he need to cool out now, man.
So where daddy there?
Dad not there. Daddy gone now you come.
Daddy gone and me come?
Yeah,
I wonder
gone.
if up the daddy gone, make mama send me down here.
No, sir. Daddy not Jamaican woman anymore. A white girl. He go to the power and cruise somewhere. Be a white woman you match to father there. I don't know what flying a female. So you know want no broke girl.
Father turn rich man overnight, you know. So where your mother there?
My mother there for her yard. My mother big Christian, you know.
You're too lie.
So she don't want no man, she married to God.
And what is for me?
Me have a look, and I say me a mock God, but me have to laugh. So we how she say it.
Yeah.
You want to hear my mother, the other day me go over there. And me a play one little music in my ears and he go hear in chant on tongues for me over there.
Mighty God.
You that thing say Satan go in the yard, you two women a deal with me. And for one little music. So I'm married to Jesus and no master, so me I go and wait and look and see what Jesus have in store for her.
Yeah, so what go on? You not no boyfriend?
Which boyfriend?
Oh, why you a virgin Mary?
No, me not no virgin, but the boy them didn't know good. No good man not done here, so girl. I be a bleach out young boy
So
with
wrong with
them
that?
pants and.
Wrong with that?
A man that come down for?
I don't really say man, but girl. Me come down here to enjoy my time, and I think that time me come down here for years.
Well, find one decent. If you want boyfriend, find one decent boyfriend. No find none of them don't miss with pants and so like a holiday one holiday on the ground.
Me not
Bleach out and I be a they're not safe. I be a bad man done so. Nothing done so no good.
talk about that. Me a talk
A
about
country this your
enjoyment.
country.
Me a talk about enjoyment. Me a talk about party and then sitting there and have a drink and
So Landy,
river.
you're not turn up so and watching news and I see how much people at the party.
That's for them business.
Suppose today night party and I know you didn't come for. But then the something man you catch no party in America.
And that's why your mother after they speak tongues pie.
And you go on there you see if you speak tongues pan.
Because
and let me something you come in the house in a Jesus. You are here.
And do it. You know cook?
No, can you not tell me say today I come
That's
America?
not your business and me I come. I look at things say you know no man is mother pop up here with your man.
I'm blind. Well, tell you the truth, you know. I want to look at man there. A fishy around my garden. But you know, so one thing start fishy around what he want. Because he want me to come in yard. Want me to put on this come my yard. Want me to go all places, hotel everywhere. And you know, so if a man say come in yard, you know that mean I done this so.
What's wrong with that?
No, me not there something there. Nothing on my vocabulary. I'm not ready for that right now. And money me I deal with right now. You see, fan for you not say money, you're not saying anything. My language is money.
That's why I can't keep a man. Because
furthermore, let me tell you something.
Money.
Let me tell you something.
Work your own money. You know, if you always depend on man.
You work your own money?
Of course.
Where?
Me I work. No worry about that when me work, but me work.
I work.
Me work. You think me man
a fishy road.
House,
You got
work?
No, me never see me. That a upper town, this a country. Work hard. Forget that so. You have to plunge toilet. You have to rake yard. You have to wash dirty people dirty clothes. You have to go China go work.
Listen to me.
You can't have as much brains as you want. You have pine.
Listen
work
to
hard
me.
to get that so.
I work good amount of money. Right now, amount of money in my account. You can't do it. And by the way, you not get none. You have to go look work for yourself. You think me come down here for idle?
I'm about full place today now.
What business? Me your sister, remember that? But remember full place me now. My sister place me now. What you talk about?
That with you. Is it true you know so me not gonna put you out now?
You can't put me out. Nah, ask Christ. You run off your mouth and all these things? Right now, I want special me want. Anyway, you shut down the shopping?
Yeah, shop up in.
You come?
No. Me not deal with no special right now.
I'm doing that. Go go turn Christian with your mother.
Go long if you want go on, you go on.
Go get a special to
Go long. They shall pluck you. Go on.
Go pluck first.
Yes, hurry up, brother. Yeah, it takes so long to put on one look pants and one look shoes. Brother, hurry up, brother.
Awa. What's your problem?
What you mean, what's my problem? So I can't see nobody again, I
You
can't see
just a
them.
waste of big and so like insect out here.
Yeah, well, insect drop down, you tap down. Yeah, what? Watch out now, me see you now, man. I first me see your face, mama, me say you not come from around here.
Yeah. So what happened?
Me I tell her, say, mama, you look hot. How you come from?
Town me come from, man.
What? Town you come from, man, so you talk, so. Me didn't know say that's how town people talking about, but I never know say that's how they really talk. So yeah, I say, not over my phone. But anyways, mama, where you go?
You know, see, I don't bar down there, so me go get drink a special.
You know, see, I down there, me I go right now to go drink a one special too.
Mm.
Yes, but you look. You know, say me think Virgin here go down the road go check. I don't really want disrespect no man in the area, you know. But I'm willing to be number 3 or number 5, even number 6
And what
too.
you talk about? What you take me for some loose girl or something?
Me never say you loose girl or loose girl. But you should
Bro,
address yourself as girl. You should say girl. But anyways.
listen.
Hmm?
If you gonna make me drink it special, I make we go drink it special.
But
And talk fat on my ears.
no, but you know the world around now, things kind of change up and everybody you see me now. Some people can do some work, some people can do a little hustling pan down at the bridge, down at them places. So that's why me see you just like this, cause you're not just properly attired. You have show them, if you just not frock on them something there, your belly, you understand?
Christian, you look.
No, I don't know Christian. But you know if you come on them road just like that, people are gonna think you know, I say, mama, you know, you do business.
What kind of business?
I don't know, but make it stay.
You see you know your problem. You chat too much.
How bother with
Now
that
one me
now?
I'm gonna call you chatty. You ready to go have a drink?
Alright.
Have little fun. Now fun, you know, just have little fun while drinking. That me at all.
Have look for wild. Alright, that sound good. So come on now.
Yeah, come on.
Chatty. You know say I like your name.
You like
Chatty. Mount and Massey. Mix up. Come on now. So
Me come. What's that?
wait.
What can go soon?
So listen. Yeah, come on my house there.
Which house?
What do you mean we should? I must my house. I can't your house off my house. So anyways.
So me ask you one question. Three little drink. Make you stagger and go on, sir?
Baby,
I want to go on a country.
and juice make me go inside you. Huh? You think I liquor? Me drunk in about.
You're crazy.
Yeah,
Take your time and go on.
crazy for you, yes. Come on.
Blood of Jesus against you. Where you go?
Huh?
Not down there say leave. Go on where you go on home. What is?
Brother, you know what I say? I second you try second now. I can't bother when you run up and down this, brother. But I realize he's a man with a house of decent girl. How you do it?
Well, I know me have them and them have me, you know. You see it?
Bro. You know?
Yeah, man, them girls they have to have money, you know what I mean? Because them learn from the street, you know what I mean? They know say without money things can't work and food can't eat. So she come from shop. She go grab snacks, you know what I mean?
But you walk past there, she should know me. Jackie. Yeah, good.
Yeah, man. But they are hot. They are cool out. Where's the one?
I check up on the partner money cause really and truly one knows everything is opposite.
Yeah, man. Everything alright, man. You know I come and check. Me wonder when you get a job, you know. Yes. Me so get a job, me and start out and everything. Cause there's a man with pay. Good in there, you're always on time, you're never late to your partner yet, you understand? So me and sort out something for you, man. But let me ask you one question. That's why me I get in your business too much. How are you planning to do with the money? Cause about 500 you have in this partner.
Alright, Jackie, easy. I joke you make a serious question.
Yeah, man, serious question.
So Jackie, you know so me couldn't ask them question, cause me it's not like me involved certain way for me tell me plans. You know, sometimes it's good for just keep things to yourself and make it manifest and do it. And then, you know, but me have no little thing, me plan to invest some money in one lady down the road there. I don't know if you know Peach. Remember Peaches? Peaches and me are decent. You know, we are trying to work certain things out, but for some reason, you know, me not rush things. Because when I rush things, you know, work the way it's supposed to work. You know, so I just that.
So let me answer something now. A long time I know you something. So me could be one thing. Like,
You mean thing?
you know understand?
No.
Get to know each other.
So me don't know you here, so? You talk about?
No, be honest, so me I talk about
Like when I shop.
You know what I mean? Go on one little date,
Come on, hey, Jackie. Jackie, me must say, my best friend and you used to there, you know. But that true him dead gone and then sitting there, you know, me can't, when I feel bad, you understand me? I say, you know that already. Because he's a good woman, you know. My sister, you're a good woman and you secure business and thing. And you say, you don't want to pick me yet. And, you know, me observe certain things. Because as me say, fear man was my good friend and him pass and gone and something. So we can't really, you know, but I feel guilty. You know?
He dead and I like him or no. He dead.
Yeah, but me I don't know. You understand me? I see, but don't bother make that ruin full friendship, you know. You understand me? I say.
He not ruin nothing, but we can't get to know each other, man. Try, nothing done.
Jackie, you really carry the alarm because I just said nothing try, nothing done. A lightning and thunder just rolled a while ago. You used to say it's a sign.
It's a sign for me and you work things out.
You know, if you say, alright, here what I'm going to do. I'm not going to put it down and I'm not going to put it up. I'm going to left it away there. Anything happen. But for right now, I don't want to pressure certain things. Because I know you feel like, say, boy, lead you on and something. Because I guess it's a serious prayer when you come on to relationship, you know. You understand me? I know say that you know, but, you know, Jackie, make it under. So you say, I can't come, alright, here we know. Just give me a date. Text me and tell me a date. No, I'm not that date, you know. I say, give me a time when I can collect the money. Even if a 3 at the hand them or a 2 at the hand them, I want to know, say, you know, it'll work out.
Alright, me text you and make you know. But if you think about it, yeah?
Alright, me I think about it. Jackie.
You can't lose, man. Me and you can be partner in a business and so. You can't lose.
Alright, Jackie, we talk. Yeah?
Alright.
Peaches!
What your problem?
It's like...
I need to tell you to stop come.
No, me I want a business to talk to you about. That's the real father. Does me come in and talk to you for a second? I not stay long, man.
5 minutes.
5 minutes.
Come in.
Yeah, me I come. Take you long, man, I tell you.
So you're not lucky, so you
No, because I'm really fine. See what I say. So, really and truly, what I want to talk to you about is that I think it's about time now to start investing in you. You understand? Because I don't want you reach a point in life where you feel like I can be an asset to you. I want the best for you, you know, Peaches. And from the moment we meet, I'm going to tell you, it's like every time I raise me and say, I have like a personal time, I feel like, say, boy, I want to get down in you. You know what I mean? But you know, just that, I want to do it too, you know.
Go and sleep.
Make you want to sleep? What do you mean you want to sleep? And money we talk about, you know. So
what kind of money? How me not see money?
You can't see it, you have to talk about the amount of what we need to do. He's a planner. He's not a person who just come and just dash money upon you. So you're a stripper, eh? And for just come fling money upon you so and you feel better like we get somewhere.
So
no,
you have to fling, you can't put it in your hand?
No, well, that's me I talk about. I don't want to just put your hands so and then you know invest back in me with time and all these things. Look on you, eh? You think you're normal, girl? If you understand
I don't
life,
know what you have to tell me.
Yes, because me I said, me I forget one part of money, so I want to get the part of money and put it to good use. Because you know, see how good
yeah, you get the part of money you can't come use.
And what you do with it?
And then later business.
So what you going to do with the money?
Invest in one business.
What can... Teachers, you understand you? You know, so that's how you reason now. Alright, what you want to like sell things?
Clothes store.
You want a clothes store?
Mm-hmm.
Which part? Uptown, downtown?
Uptown, of course.
Uptown, which part? Uptown? Up at town or down?
Down so.
Market?
Open where they have the hairdresser place and they want clothes.
So you want to go on plaza? No, you're not going to plaza. If you go to plaza, you have to spend too much money for rent. You better me buy you one.
No, you see what me talk about.
What you
That's
talk
why
about?
you can't agree. You agree with me and say yes. Up that's a nice. Up that's a this you accountable now. What is rent?
Rent is too much. Yes, imagine you pay 50,000 for rent. When you can't put that 50,000 in your pocket, so me tell you say make we just start date officially now. Listen me I say, make we start date officially. So we can put the rent money in your pocket so we can buy one container and then cut up here and set up it. Buy one AC, inverter AC and we set up here and we have business better so. For that you want to do, but me need to, while me I invest in you, me I spend time. Me don't want to give you one media bush. How that be?
I say, yo, come down in your yard.
Me not say come down in my yard, but me can come up here too.
Come do.
Come, I mean, so come just moving a little bit back and forth weekend and so forth. You expect somebody to come in now?
Who that?
And me.
My sister.
You have sister?
I don't drink your special now.
Yeah, man in here.
Nobody already.
Introduce me.
My sister Marika. Remember somebody me tell her say come round?
Farmer.
Yes.
Yeah.
I him this year.
Hi, I'm Marika.
Nice.
Good sister. Nice to meet you. And so fast you done?
Don't do her. Marika, you know how me stay nothing like that. You have to go on now, because my sister there, yeah?
All
So,
right.
no, man, we can go back, you know. I'm going to go and enjoy a little time.
No, man, it's
No,
alright.
Marika.
You sure you don't want about 5 more minutes?
It's alright, man, cause she kind of talk business already, so we good. Right? So give me you the hug.
Yeah.
I say hug me.
My sister.
Alright, sister, nice to meet you.
Alright, brother.
Yeah, man, respect.
Manners.
I know your brother-in-law.
And I'm brother-in-law?
No, him a fish is for sure. He just come over and tell boy want to invest in me.
So give me a number now like one of my brother-in-law.
Yeah, idiot. Yeah, which number? Where what number for do?
Girl, relax. We are going so far. You see, I know my brother-in-law.
So where you want the number for? You like him? You can't have him.
Why?
Just know say I'm brother-in-law and you can't get him. He
so
done.
what you do? When you love, give one a cow and wall and pan the tail.
Well, I did fool if he start and I go fool if he end. You understand? So nobody with it.
Anyway, you don't have to give me a number. I must book him on the road when I date them and me I want to act.
Buck up on road. Listen me. You left from town, come a country, come see me in a peace, though. Why you want to disturb my peace? Eh?
Lady, sister.
You want to go back to town in a pieces?
Sister, that's not enough for you to go and so over.
Listen me. You see, me and your sister, right? Even best friend have that little band there. You see, if a guy used to look one away, the other one not to mess with him none at all. Once he put the word in the sense of like your friend. Whether your friend like him or not, or whether your sister don't like him or not, you're not to go there. Okay. None at all. So just don't let me stay with him. Understand? And we don't talk.
Peaches!
Come now, girl, do open.
No, sir. Rain turbo out the door. What?
So we can come over in the rain.
No, man. From yesterday, I want to come, but I did busy.
Busy at door.
I must have my shop. It's not easy, and I feel collect people them for the money. You can hear sir?
I beg me come over your shop, come beggy. I buy me come buy, you know. So when me stop buy conflicts and last go over your shop, how you make money? I'm stop support you.
Calm down, man. Calm down, man. You can't make a joke. What do you mean by you want to stop? Calm down, man. So what me I say now? Yesterday, me and Rufus have a nice talk about you. What a way you have the man head lock.
First day road I call up my name, boy.
No. You know, say too jumpy. I don't call him a call up your name. The man a plan to invest in you, you know, girl. What's that? You see with Uno? A man when I have money and when I want nothing
Shut
to
up,
like.
because you don't know a full story. Top
What
chat.
full story? Hmm?
You see Rufus him now? He want me come down a film yard in a film room. You know when you go in that the room they want to take place. So he must say, he want to invest in me, but me have to invest back in him. What am I talking about? I don't know idiot.
Peaches. You have to invest in a man where they invest in a you. Better if I want a little idiot boy down the road now when I have dollar figure. You're gone in a room long time.
No. You know me. You know how me stay. You know me stay.
Peaches. So what you tell me saying I like Rufus?
Rufus, I move too fast. Even if you slow down.
Sometimes I wonder if you're right. Sitting there,
The
brain.
next time when I see him, please tell him say, Peaches say slow down. And maybe, just maybe, it will happen. I move too fast, man.
Let me
Too
say something
speedy.
to you. Let me say
Man, I
something
flash.
to you. You see, even though partner confidential, at 10 hand, the man having a partner, you know? 10 hand. Think about it.
And how much I had?
Hmm?
How much I had?
At $10,000.
A hand.
$10,000?
My God. 10 hand.
Yes, 10 hand.
And how much per hand?
Where you want? How much you get for your job?
Mm-hmm.
Peaches. Just listen to me and say. Right? Me don't know what make you want. Listen, you know what the man you want fast line business. Me don't tell you nothing more. But all me have to tell you, say, you see if you don't want him, Peaches, me, I go put in my application.
No. So hold on there. Wait. Stick a pin there so. You would have really got there with Rufus after your late man. Best friend. Your man was dead other day. Your best friend.
So me ask you something. How my late man go know? In and grave. Tell me how he go know. Eh?
You's a wicked girl. Who if tell so in the alive whenever those things being back with Rufus?
No. Nope. I know some never seen
But-
Rufus there way there before.
And one thing me I make you know now, me I have a friend and this friendship me don't want it to end. So just stay away from Rufus. Rufus is not yours, okay? And he done this so.
Peaches, you don't want Rufus.
It no matter if me want him or me no want him, just stay away from
I
him.
don't understand. Me really don't understand. Anyways, as me say, I go and see if you want him. And if you don't want him, me a put in my application. Me a put in my application because you don't want the man.
Your application already expired. You know why you? I mean you want, not you.
Go and live in a delusional. You're delusional.
Me sure know you come over here to tell me what Rufus want investing in me and what I want to do, right? So how you want you? How your application will go through? It not work, it can't work. And me done talk.
We don't talk.
So hold on
Anyways.
there.
Mm.
When you come to tell me, say you don't tell me though.
Yeah.
Oh, so like when you come and you don't tell me, think of time for your kind of, you
You know
know?
you're real at the door.
What ya? How are you just up and so hot? Look for Rufus first. You idiot? You mad?
So me ask you a question. You want the man or you don't want the man? Which one?
No,
I see him thing me there. Although me don't- I see him thing me there. You lick the nail right
You know
on
what?
the edge.
Come on, go your yard. Come on, rain couldn't have fall so much.
understand
It was
that.
one.
Me not
One.
understand now.
Go long.
But anyway, one day somebody gonna lick out the hot patty there to your mouth. Hot patty, who bounce it out? Here,
Come
see
on,
a girl get in a...
one.
What my name?
Yeah.
How my name again?
Don't you Jackie?
Sorry, me not even know.
No, yeah, lick me like that.
I am the original Jackie. I do a partner and me own one shop.
Yeah.
Right down the
Hello.
road.
Alright. Jackie up out of my house. Go on.
Stop one, sir.
I beg she begs, you know. So me
Jackie up
try
now.
say,
Go on.
me
Now.
a put in my application for Rufus, she begs.
You do what?
Oh, Jesus.
Finish application.
Oh, what kind of
Take that one
mathematics
in your
is
yard.
1 plus 2 plus...
Go on your yard, go on your yard.
Yes, I'm trying to do different of it. How come I want to take my sister, man?
Yeah, next one too.
What do you...
No one, none of them deal with me.
Sister, a joke, me a joke. Me can't
Joke
have
what?
no
What kind of
with you.
joke? Just because I don't know say man have a little bit of money. Little money or whatever money you have, you know, run him down. Like, you know what, so nobody
You
can't
never
if a
know say
man.
man have money. Duh.
Jackie, she come a contact when man have 10 hand in a partner and she have put it up. What kind of application she
10
want put in?
hand. So how much a hand?
What's it 10,000 for here?
$10,000? That not safe.
Look at me. Hello. Me hour.
We are sister.
And where you know do?
I must say we are from different mother.
You know, oh.
Different mother, same father.
So what that have to do?
Look most will not be sister.
Okay, so that means you can run in for my black in Taiwan.
Never say that. Never say that. Never say that.
Marika, I know you're telling you know. For your little pitney, you want little you come out and bad.
Hey, hey.
I know you stay. Just like how your mama stay, so you stay.
Back alive.
You want to look a piece of town, chum. Marika,
Hey,
go on,
sister.
no, go on, the road now.
Go down on the road, go drink 2 rum, yeah, man. Because you waste the time, you're idlers. And as I say, you're old man, that's why.
You're
I don't know
lucky.
where man seen you, you know.
Well, I mean you want, I know you.
Where man seen you, God
But I mean you
know.
want, though, I know you.
Know yourself. Ratted. Rain, sister, rain.
You come like you come down if you tell me my peace. I'll call daddy and tell daddy if you come
Beg you,
carry
because you
you.
can't flex and
It's
last
done.
summer. Please, me, I beg you. I'm
Done.
hungry.
Finish.
I wonder if I can see a man on the road and beg him for my
Sit up, let's go and drink some. Thanks, here.
Look here, so when you call me, approach me good. I know yo Pinky come here.
No, say still a long time, I for a reason. I know, say still, what I say to you. A long time, yeah, you see. You know, they out fully. Man and woman thing, me not talk about no little boy thing.
Hold on there. Hold on there. Cause this look like a little boy thing. How where you put me? You have horse?
My mother have house, and we talk about.
Your mother. So if you cock upside of you and your mother.
Yeah, man.
No,
You
but
can't go in and migrate and move, so.
no, but you're not easy. Come again. What you say?
I want like you.
If you cock upside of you and your mother.
I can't put
So when
her
me come in,
in.
your mother me a service. You know, say you're not
No.
manners. You're not manners there. See, before you look me, get somewhere. Have your money up, so. You're too out order. Me if you call alongside of you and your mama, you're bright, you're sick.
Oh,
And some me know say as from today, you're sick. And a matter of fact, too, let me tell you something. When food are cooking in your house, how you want to do? Shut down my plate.
What do you mean?
What you mean? You
So
want
no
to shut down my
cook
plate?
well for food, man.
Listen to me.
So go on, sir.
Nobody can look me. Cause me a wrong somebody, me a mad girl. You see, before you look me, go get a place.
No man, we can
Boy,
borrow
like
one.
you go get a place.
We can borrow a place. You're going like say we can borrow a place.
Borrow which place? That's one back say your mama. I can't take up my juice and go on business. Can you
What?
see?
Where you go? Listen. At that we do no woman now, you know. We don't go like you know and there with man outside of the community. Look how long with they bought the place. Eh? You know how long me I grow here with my eyes them. Eh? You know how long me hear them and see I grow up. You know, mama, you think a little bit of
So
time.
basically, you try to say, yeah, grow me with a big eye them.
Mm-hmm.
If other man can't take me and that can't work.
Can't work.
What coupon you to?
If you have
Coupon is a refugee,
me have
refugee, yeah.
Mama.
Shenanigan. Right now me feel like embarrassed.
Can't take this.
Brother, right now me feel like embarrassed. Right now me should have the right as how with my skin start crawl right now. Me didn't want nobody to see. Cause you're there. Me there going.
No, I thought go on, so we just there, so I love it.
You didn't know him. Might take me and I'll give one uppercut ball, love it thing, right? I say a bright man anyways. You didn't know him?
Yeah, first day we come here to meet him and me have a drink. She drink the boy take and drunk.
Stop telling not telling people them something.
Why am I not to do that?
Don't tell you. Ma.
Excuse me, just my cousin when I sit around when you yard now, your time out.
You know, say that no manners. You don't have no manners.
Matter
One
of fact,
yard.
move first. No come so constant. Go on, move. Move. Take up your juice.
Give me juice. Give me it. Right. Yeah, I'll drink out my juice. You see you broke. Come on, cuz. So what going with you?
There, just come down for the holiday, you know.
Oh, got a long time I don't see you, you know. From you gone. I don't really keep no friend or nothing at all, you know, cause you see the bond with me I did have cause I just that me used to and that me stick with, so I don't really push no friendship with nobody. I don't really want no friend. So tell me something. Peaches not glad to see you.
Yeah, she happy to see me, you know, but you know she moody and stay already and something.
Peaches that for a long time. And me girl same way.
Yeah, she no want to go nowhere, she just in a house and something.
House rat.
But like I'm a close cousin from me, a little girl. Really and truly, and that made me come down here, you know. Yeah. My mother sent me down here because I want to look at vibes we are going. Because me there with this guy in my wanted man. Yeah, my wanted man. So me have to come down here so for cool out for a little while. Yeah, because he do some stuff. So me have to take on myself come down here for
Well, me not bother part with you.
What do you mean by that?
Because when fear wanted man come down for you, and then come see me, I think, no, me not bother part with you, cause.
I know nothing like that, man. And him wanted and on me. Nothing like that. He not even know me there, cause them don't know some me are people down here, so you know.
Well, me still not care at all, cause guess what?
Girl, me and your family what kind of thought
I have
that?
some friend with their jail. And when they call me and tell me what going to jail not nice. When he come for you, me don't want to come for me. Anyways, tell me something. What are we put Peaches she's so soft?
Me worse. Me don't know. Peaches come like in nonsense. He forgot to turn Christian with his mother.
Girl, I hear say have one man there. We are spend panar.
You didn't hear about it too?
Yeah, that's what I'm here, cause
me say the man have 10 hands in our partner jar and at $5,000 hand me girl. And the man want spend pan Peaches and Peaches said the man all want fish run her girl.
Cause you say you have money.
Yeah.
Whole heap of money.
You don't know why man want Rasta man.
Cause you know say me see him already. I know somebody like him one time. But yes again, you have money.
So what make you depend we saying your money our you don't have man.
She no want the right thing, me
you
the right thing.
Man.
No!
You don't have man.
Me not a man. She no want the right thing, me can't do the right thing.
Well, we can go for so one man. Everybody want to one man bring your money.
So you want the man too?
Girl, and as you may tell Peaches if you give me the man number. Peaches say no, he not give me. Me don't know how she want to sell the cow and all on the tail.
Fool like cow. Me say I never see a cousin when me have so yet.
On the road.
I never see a cousin when me have so yet. We just soft. Imagine a money man. And the man want to spend pie and you know want that. I can take him.
You go take the man?
Yeah.
This not safe.
And get some my money. I want to take your cousin.
Anyway, I know someone drink me come down if you have But the place not open now, so me I go back up.
No man, you see shop where me I come from.
Mm-hmm.
Go there and tell us if you give one juice. Tell us I'm missing it and put it on my bill.
Alright.
Here?
Yeah.
So.
See you
Yeah.
later.
Yeah man, just there so I go and cool out.
What a go on, Jackie?
What, Rufus? You good?
You mean, man?
Why? I see you check me right time, you know. Cause me just did a call you, you know. Just did a call you. Cause me have your things sorted out.
What? That is so nice, man.
And guess what? I have good news for you. Everything me I give you.
Everything?
Everything.
That's nice, man.
Me glad you have enough stock on your bank, cause you're gonna need that.
My
Hey!
goodness.
Everything, man, cause you don't know. Me I come there.
Alright. I got good here, man. Something you can trust people for true, cause guess what now, all the time people faithful. Last woman robbed me everything now.
God, the bag heavy. Hello, and be careful now, you know.
Yeah, man, definitely, man. I will.
But here one now. I want you happy. You understand me? You know what somebody asked me for job? Eh? But me want you happy, man. Me want you go on your little, you know, adventure them and have your money and have to borrow beg. You understand what I say?
Give thanks.
Me always a look out for you, but me don't know what make you not look out for me. Me don't know why and who you look out for. Sit down, cause me want you sit down, cause this one me I gotta tell you maybe you drop down this time. Me don't want you drop down.
What do you mean by that?
Me don't want to water you out, yeah. No, sit down for true.
Listen. And you see me in a kind of hurry, because I have to start out something.
Rufus.
Yes, I know, Jackie.
We really need to talk to you, Rufus. He's a nice man and everything, and me rate you, but what make you not want me, Rufus? Tree in my face, donkey bite me?
No, listen, Jackie, we have to go over this again.
Rufus, this is what I say. Me understand say peaches, you're fascinated about. What peaches have a mean have, Rufus?
Jackie, we can't believe that every time we're gonna go through this and we are go through this and go through this, like, you know, understand the real reason why we say.
Hear what me say. Stick up in. The other day me go over Peaches yard. I mean Peaches I have a conversation.
Yeah, shit.
Yes. Peaches want to open up business like how me have business, right? That is a good thing. But I see the bad thing now is she want to use you, take away your money, open the business and then run your way.
No, not my Peaches. Not my Peaches. Peaches not stay so. Me not get that energy from Peaches. Why you don't think that about Peaches? Peaches tell her that.
Why me I tell her?
Me don't understand why you don't even think that out your mind.
Peaches tell me, say, listen to me. Believe in me, trust me. Peaches look on me and tell me, say, she gonna take your money and run away. That she tell me. After she open the business, she just run away.
That's all good.
You don't believe me?
It's like, you tell me, but we still can't get that vibe from Peaches. Me think Peaches is that kind of person. If you say you're talking because maybe you have an argument and you kind of not really get along, and that are the cause right now. You know, it's like a dog a run down a chasing tail because at the time, you know, they get confused. No, I don't think so. But listen to me, I say. There's something to sort out. See?
Before you go, let me ask you one question, Rufus. You can't make up on one date if I have 3 dates.
Jesus Christ, man. Jackie, we gone back
At
again.
that time now, you will get to know me more, me get to know you. I am mind my change, and me never know. Give it a shot, man.
Alright, me think about it. And then more give a thing, but I exact money back, right?
Yes.
The trust in you, so and everything. So you know everything, you know. And thanks again, me appreciate it. Because I can start my business and other business I want to start out. Yeah?
Alright.
So if I'm not miss you, take care of yourself, you know.
Yeah, man.
So you know, some Monday again, we can drop off.
Alright.
Alright, later.
Peachy.
What ya? Well gone.
Like a smelly rat.
No,
Walk
sir.
away.
Me there, me I go down the road and come back. How am?
Girl, what kind of style that?
What?
Imagine me not see you for how long. And then again, you would tell me see your sister there.
Yeah, she there. I told me not remember, man. Cause girl, me not remember. You have to try and understand.
Brother, you no go away because you come here.
Me understand that. Me understand that. But listen, you know, me have some bills here. And you know, say if me no pay them the bills, say water cut off, light cut off, everything cut off. You understand? All the cable bill me have to go pay. So if tell me no, if me not go pay them now, me I just run in there to a chat and then bam, like gone. We in a darkness. That you want?
Well, cause girl, a long time I not see you. I'm happy to see you right now, so I want you all a reason. So what you say I go do?
You going now?
No, me I wait for you.
So if you're not going now, Pinky, just go in the house, go sit down and wait for me. Me not take long. 2 little bills not take long for pay. Me just go down the machine, go draw little money and then pay them and then me come back.
Alright.
So you can't wait for me then?
Alright.
Alright, just wait. Go on. Go on now. Sit down on the bed. Me a come, man. If you want nothing to drink, take your tie fridge.
Ah!
Aye.
Peaches!
How that?
How that?
Watch your backside! Ah! See, you could tell me see you there. A long time I not see you, know.
That's true, man. So what you in there? Eh?
We did the boy, man. Come here, look.
How me look?
Why the rich kid there?
No, man, not like that. Me just there go and lay low, want to do some business and I'm something else, so you don't know anything. So what Peaches there?
Peaches are there. Peaches gone on the road to come back.
Peaches gone whenever come back?
Yeah.
So, are you stay now?
No, me just go look for her. Come in, no.
Come in, come in, come in.
Come in, come sit down for all the reasoning.
You sure?
Brother, come in, no.
I'm gonna come. Let's go over this.
Yeah, go on, so.
I'm not going nowhere. As I said, me don't want she come in and come see me so close together.
Oh.
You understand? So where see I going now?
I just stay at it all life easier, man.
So what you do for yourself now?
No, so I do some clothes business do myself, clothes, but mostly woman clothes.
Most woman clothes yourself?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you are going with yourself, man.
Mm-hmm.
Nice. But sitting there, so which place sell it? Like round the place, you have a shop or what?
Hello, listen to me. Enough about me now. Can you not invest in me, you know? Enough about me. Tell me something now. What going for you and Peaches?
What mean so what going for me and Peaches?
Yeah, invest in her.
What do you mean can't invest in Peaches, yes? Me have enough things on more really she start out with this you know?
Oh.
This a month I come on, she will take me serious. You understand? But hopefully work out because so how close you and Peaches be?
I know we are cousins.
No, I'm not talk about if you're not cousin, me I say how close now because you're a cousin. But basically me I say you can't even help her out in a fear little thing what she a deal with just the same way. That me I say.
Simple 1, 2, 3. Simple 1, 2, 3 that me can help her, man.
So where say she gone?
She knows that she gonna deal with something up on the road.
You tell me that already about what she gonna deal with. Like you don't understand she took so long.
She just said she gonna deal with something.
Won't show up and come now because I don't have enough time.
Anyways, feel thirsty. I'm going to take out one juice today. You want a drink?
Nothing wrong with that. Give me a little drinks now. No problem with that. So what kind of drinks you say you're giving?
I know, yeah. The strawberry juice them.
Strawberry juice them?
Yeah, but yeah, look at me see one next cup in the car. I said this I know. Like it I get frozen up, but you know every drink the same way.
Where you look so?
Yeah?
I'll spoon or what? I'll mix it?
No man, you see through a frozen ice in there. You put one spoon in there. So you eat it like a smoothie.
Okay.
Yeah.
But it a little bit of nice. We just want everything for alright, you know what I mean? Like me want just that kind of energy there. And me work. But yeah, anyway, as I said, we just want things to work out the best way possible.
How are you?
No, just I'm just kind of feel little. Just a little bit, just a little bit. So, yeah?
Alright.
Tired, man. I don't like how I feel.
That damn dirty dog, yo. Boy, you want to invest in a woman. I know a woman to invest in a woman, and me have to invest in her. I'm going to take you all the money. I'm going to see back. I'm see back in the next 4 years. I'm going to box you.
Yes, and I'll get it. Pervert! Oi! We are in my bed. As a fire take it, me not tell her. Get up out of my bed.
What do you mean say too far? What you talking about?
What in my bed I do? Me not there in my yard. You come here lie down in my bed and sleep.
I don't sleep. I just get so tired.
Yeah, me bed get so tired.
Yeah, man, my brain just out.
Where did my cousin? Where my cousin there?
I was cousin.
Pinky, the slim brown girl. Me left her over here to stay till me come and me come straight in my bed. Where in my bed I do?
Me back there.
What that pervert, man?
Me back there.
Which bag? Me come and see you with bag.
So what, like, you taking money and going?
Which money?
What you
Me
mean,
wait
so-
for day. Me just come back and me just come through the door.
But she say yeah. So me back there.
She said me a what? She said me a what?
When me back there.
Which money I talk about?
What mean say which money me a come give you?
You there come give
Oh,
me
you
money?
mean me a come invest some money with you? What you talk about?
So where money there?
What mean say where money that when me back there?
Stop playing, man. You have money. Go on, son. Where money there?
Have which money? Are you having money? Are you taking money?
How?
What mean say how? You left her on
Rufus. Me not just come in that house.
Peaches.
Me left Pinky with Pinky there.
Peaches, when me bag the peaches.
Rufus.
Peaches, when me bag the peaches.
Rufus, for you know me ever see me a thief.
Me not say your teeth, but when me bag there.
So why me go take up a bag? How me know some money in your bag? How me know that? Tell me, how me know some money in your bag?
Jesus, me the hat me.
You alright?
Because I call doctor.
Rufus, you alright? Nobody
No.
did in my house now. Come go to do good that. Come.
No, listen. Seriously, peaches. So what me again now? But me I sit here say, where your cousin there?
Me no know. Me left her here to stay till me come back and me tell her say me go pay some bills.
You better no, me feel say you. For some reason me just feel say you.
You know I come out of my house, cause you see if me the even I think about giving a chance in my life, me not go bother cause you come here accuse me of thieving. Me the day of thief money out of bag, me know about bag, me know color bag, me know nothing.
So you say you not see me back?
Me no see no bag, me just come
Peaches,
see
me
you
can't believe see a thief in bag and I come tell me. Is that right? Yo, really and
No,
true.
listen me, listen me.
I say, me no depend where you depend because I guess me can't believe me come to invest in your thief in money. Jackie me right.
What you mean by Jackie
me
right?
Is that everything good?
Oh, so a Jackie I tell her things.
Jackie I tell me which things. Jackie I tell me which things.
Never ever again. Even if me dey plan to get a chance,
Me
me
no-
not go work again.
No,
Never
but
tell her.
basically, you're thief. You're thief me and rob me.
It's alright, Rufus. Everything good. I must catch you. For we feed the yard na hard for catch. And you love this yard, yeah.
You subscribe yet?
Yeah, man, so guess what? You've reached to the end of the movie. So give thanks and, highly appreciate your presence and all these things. And as I said, tell me one thing because I'm a work in progress. I'm a work in progress. I work in progress. Yes, I work in progress. Time early, so I can't really do singing, you know what I mean? So yeah, big up on yourself and thanks again for the support. Do the right thing. Share it, man. We don't just watch it and like it. Share it and thing, man. Send it on, no. Send it on, no. Send it on. Action. Pause it. I come in and was shout me like that. Alright, she basically on top of the fox. She had 2 pounds. She had quality. This guy she had come to the fox. Girl, in here, it's very like a Rufus. And what's the boy, you want one girl and, when can I name you? Peaches, yes. And he said, boy, you want to get snap peaches. Girl, jumping on a party. And I said,
So at the same time, I encourage her, I look at see your
yes, I want to find out who see or she is with the faith. Oh. Your work. You understand? Yeah, bro. Perfect. No, but who want no want me? Peaches don't want me. But because you know, I'm going to post certain things. You know what I mean? You don't feel like, yeah. Alright. Go on. It's a wow. It's a wow, man. You know, it's not part of that movie. Alright. You know that? Heavy?
No. So we can bribe her with money too.
Me? Yeah. I'm on your arm, girl.
It's required, yeah.
Alright, so record. And action!
Come the girl do open. Come over here, Naryn.
They're busy. Shop.
Are you buying? Come back here.
Look here, so when you call me, approach me good. I know yo Pinky come here.
You know, it's a big man level still a long time.
I
I don't panic.
You subscribe yet?